Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 152 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the myths, the lies, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about what is John's favorite self-serve ice cream flavor on the Lido deck. Do they still have binoculars in the Terrazza cabins on the Venezia? I'm going to Bermuda. Do I need a passport? Another cruise line purchased Costa Maya. Will Carnival still be going there? And is Carnival getting rid of the paper excursion tickets altogether?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser said their family is in a heated debate about which self-service ice cream on the Lido deck is the best and wanted to throw John's answer in to the mix, and they asked John, what is your favorite flavor? John said, well, he doesn't want to come in between the family, but for him, he is plain Jane. He loves the vanilla. He also said he does like a good swirl too. So, I don't know. There it is. Me personally, I love the chocolate ice cream. I like it, just like it all the time. I mean, I take a coffee, go to the Lido deck, get a coffee, fill it halfway up, put the ice cream in there, the chocolate ice cream. Oh my God, it's delicious. It's not hot anymore because it's got ice cream and it tastes delicious. So, what's yours? Put it in the comments below and see which flavor is going to win. Just got a comment. Question two. This cruiser asked if on the Venezia, do they still have binoculars in the Terrazza cabins or do they need to pack their own? John said yes. Yes, they do still have binoculars in the cabin, which is pretty cool because we're going on to Venezia. I don't know where that comes from or why they have them in there, but pretty cool. So we're going to have binoculars in our cabin because I love looking out, and sometimes you can look in the distance and see something fun. You never know. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser is sailing to Bermuda and is wondering if they just need or if they have to have a passport, or is there anything else they need to get into Bermuda? John said, no, you don't actually need a passport to get into Bermuda. You just need your license and your birth certificate if you are a U.S. citizen. That said, get your passport. God forbid something happens, you do a non-cruise line excursion and you get left behind, it's going to be really tough for you to get back into the country with a birth certificate and a driver's license. Also, at some of the ports, or when you get back, the lines are different. You'll have passports and you'll have a driver's license one. The driver's license one's normally way longer. Don't ruin your cruise spending 2 hours in a line once you get off the boat. Get a passport. They're cheap, they're easy, they get there relatively quickly. That's just me. Question four. This cruiser asked, now that another cruise line has purchased Costa Maya and plans on turning it into a fun park, will Carnival continue to go to this port? John said they do not have any plans of not going there, and please don't worry, and he knows the destination is going to be absolutely brilliant. So maybe they've struck a deal, or an accord, if you will, since it's on water, with the people that purchased it. So you might not be able to go to their park, but you are still going to be able to port there, and Carnival plans on doing so. Last question. This cruiser asked, is Carnival getting rid of the paper excursion tickets? They love using them as keepsakes and scrapbooking, much like we do with our Sail and Sign card, and they're kind of hoping it's not digital only. John said it is going to be an option, But if you don't want to use the digital ones, they will still be able to print them out for you. So if you like physical artifacts, me and Liz are the same way. We love our sale and sign cards. We take the fun times. We take a lot of that stuff with us because we're old and we like the physical artifacts, or artifacts too. But yeah, so they will absolutely still have that option. That's been episode 152 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.